Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I bring you another interesting video to show you how you can activate the two-factor authentication right there on your Pi wallet to give it that extra layer of security and stop anyone, scammers, fraudulent persons, whoever it is, from accessing your wallet and possibly stealing from it. Good. So if you are a Pi pioneer out there with an active mainnet wallet and you have assets in it, this video is for you. You need to watch it and follow the steps and immediately activate the two-factor authentication on your wallet because it is available for Pi wallets now. You can activate this feature and protect your Pi wallet and its assets from anybody accessing it and possibly stealing from you. Good. Before we proceed, I will say if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscription button now and stay subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so whenever I post interesting videos like this one, you will be one of the first persons to hear about it and watch it. Thank you very much. Good. I am about to show you how to activate the two-factor authentication on your wallet. Good. And how you do that is, first and foremost, you go to your Pi browser. Please allow your Pi browser load very well. And what I'm about to show you now should be done inside the Pi browser linked to your mainnet app that is on your phone. Don't do it any other place so that you don't risk exposing yourself to bad actors. Good. Make sure you do this inside your Pi browser. Okay, and once you have opened your Pi browser like this, the next thing you do is you click on this home button here to reveal the address bar of your Pi browser. You click on it. And once it opens again like this, you click on the address and you remove .com and then add -authentication. .web.app. Good. The URL is pinet-authentication.web.app. Good. And don't worry, this URL will be on the description of this video. Anytime you're ready for it, you come to the description of this video or you go to the comments. It will be on the comments also. Just copy it and open your Pi browser and paste it inside your Pi browser address bar and hit on enter to navigate. Just like I'm about to do now, I'll hit on enter to navigate to the page. Good. And once the page is fully loaded like this, the next thing you do is you go down to this button down here that says activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. For you, when you want to do yours, you can take your time and read what is on the site so you can understand how the system and how this activation works and how it protects your Pi wallet. But for now, I'll focus on showing you how to activate it. So I'll just click on activate 2FA on your Pi wallet button to proceed. Good. This is the authentication page where you authenticate your Pi wallet and proceed with the activation. Now, what you're going to do is you input the 24-word phrase of the particular wallet you want to activate this 2FA feature on. That is the wallet's passphrase you input inside this box here to authenticate it and continue. I have mine copied already on my clipboard. All I need to do is to click on the box and long press it, then hit on paste. Good. And once I've pasted it like this, the next thing I'll do is to hit on this other button here that says authenticate with passphrase to proceed. Good. This is the email verification where you attach an email address to your wallet, which will serve as a receiving email that all the verification codes will be sent to when anybody tries to access your Pi browser or your Pi wallet from any other Pi browser that is not yours. Let's say somebody steals your phrase now and wants to go take your Pi coins. The person tries to log in inside that Pi browser that is not yours. The person will be required to send the two-factor authentication code that will be sent to this email you will set up here now. Good. And if the person is not able to provide that, he or she will not be able to log inside. Even if it's a bot, any system cannot beat this, because if you don't have access to the code that will be sent to this email you're about to enter here, you will not be able to log inside this wallet. And if you can't log inside the wallet, you cannot take anything or steal anything from it. Good. So all you need to do is you put the email address you want to use as your 2FA email for your Pi wallet. I will just click on this box and enter mine. Good. And there's another button here that says confirm email address. So I'll put my email again. Beautiful. And once I've entered it like this, the next thing I'll do is to click on send verification code so they can send me a code to finish up this activation. So click on it and you allow it to do all the magic or the thing it needs to do. Just wait for the code. Beautiful. Verification code sent to your email. Good. What I'll do now is I would have to go to my email and get the code and impute it here. So follow me to my email. Okay. Yeah, this is my email here, Gmail. I'll click and open it. And good. I got the email from the Pi Core team. Look at it here. Pi Network Support 2FA verification code. Good. All I'll do now is to open the email, get the code, and input it on the page to finish up the activation. And I'll just memorize the code. It's 484580. 484580. So go here. I'll click here and I'll enter it. 484580. And then I click on verify and activate 2FA. You allow it also. Great. I have successfully activated the two-factor authentication for this my Pi wallet. So even if anybody steals my passphrase now, the person will not be able to log in into my wallet and cannot steal from me. Because if you can't log in, you can't steal. Good. How this thing works is if the person tries to access my wallet from any other Pi browser that is not this one I did this thing on, the person will be prompted to send a two-factor authentication code that will be sent to this email I just added to my wallet now. Good. And if the person doesn't have that email and is not able to provide that code, the person won't be able to log in into my Pi wallet. That is how this thing is done. Like you can see, it's stated here, 2FA successfully activated. Your Pi wallet is now protected with email-based two-factor authentication. This activation has been confirmed and logged to your browser console. From now on, you will need to verify your identity through your linked 2FA email when accessing your wallet on a different Pi browser aside this one. That is how it's done. And that brings us to the end of this video. I will say thank you for watching. And if you find this video interesting, please kindly share it to other pioneers out there so you don't stay left out anytime I post good videos as this, because I'll keep bringing interesting and helpful videos like this to the Pi ecosystem at large. And that will be that for today. See you on the next one. Bye bye.